Ít chút tiêu xìm ý á.
Giờ phải sâu cá là vài ngày lấy sao lại ốc được.
Yeah, what's up everybody? Yeah. Mấy cái nghe số đi đúng không mong ạ.
Yeah.
Ya, lo me alo fangao.
Hey. So, kaya. Kaya, la farerima. Aku kumubio fao.
Oh my gosh. Morning guys. We are awake and I honestly didn't think this through because both Aussie and I went to go to work and I was like, we can't go to work and just leave them, like they don't know, you know, they're not used to cooking and stuff. So I'm making them breakfast and then my mum called, so they're coming over. So we got the eggs running. Got Mia, the toaster maker. Mum, she's very cold over there. Hi guys! Good morning! So, let me pause this. So guys, I am currently working from home. As you can see, just a quick skim through. And Mia and Mum are in the room. Aussie's gone to get breakfast. He's got the week off because, guys, he had an ingrown toenail and he had the surgery to remove his nail, and it was just the most traumatizing thing I've ever seen. We haven't really been doing much videos because we just wanted them to settle in first. And then obviously because I'm also working from home, we haven't really had time. And we've just been trying to get them some warm clothes because it's really cold here in Canberra. But we're going to start doing a lot more videos, guys, so look out for that. We're going to be doing a lot more challenges with them. Sorry guys, fine.
What's up guys, it's your boy Joji. This is the day. What day? Day 4 of my mom and sis here in Australia. So we're having a breakfast now, guys. Do you see our breakfast here? Banana bread with donuts and cereal. We prepare our breakfast this morning. We're having a bacon and eggs yesterday, so we changed to banana bread with donuts and cereal and Milo. Yeah, enjoy your breakfast, mommy. We're so happy to have my mom here and sis here with us. So happy every day. Thank you guys. Say something.
I already did.
Did you say something?
When you were at the shops. Guys, this is my choice of cereal. I'm just a plain Jane simple man. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So we haven't really been vlogging lately. As I mentioned before, I've been working, but it's Friday evening. We just got back from the mall. We went and had some dinner and then went shopping again, and now we're going up the mountain. There's Snacky Boy, there's Mama, there's Mia.
Ít chút tiêu xìm ý á. Ít chút tiêu xìm ý á.
What is that guy? Oh my gosh, he's annoying. This guy is so annoying. Guys, we're here at the mountain now. It's such a beautiful view, beautiful lighting. We got Mir here showing them the beauty of Canberra. Yeah, phải sâu cá là vài ngày lấy sao lại ốc được.
Yeah, what's up everybody? Yeah. Mấy cái nghe số đi đúng không mong ạ. Cô update cho với các cái đúng không?
Oh, let's go at the front there. Vậy cái sinh ấy. Oh, rung ở il mong rồi à. Oh, mong rồi phải cái sinh à.
Take a photo.
Yeah, I'll take it of you on your phone.
Oh.
I'll take it. I'm the photographer.
Take a photo. My. Yeah.
Vem com o Tyree, vem com o Tyree. 3, 2, 1. Ai, ai. Yeah, yeah. Very nice, very nice. No, I said 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. That one's a nice one. See, very nice. Take a thumbnail.
Yeah, thumbnail.
You gotta come closer. Yeah. So beauty. Nè số vợ hiểm mà. Ami kya kai?
So why mum lemang
Ngayon ang ufo may kafaw, may riva. Na, ngayon lang wai makili.
Kili mo sabo.
Ilo samo. Ikili ilo samo.
Yeah, mai. Malo ya sita sine tua ne fiafi ore tua kai le I ya nga camera girl le tua le fa sao ka la I le camera le ro wa I runga le bongo ki le po
le wo runga le bonga ko ki kia o runga lang
Oi se
ya de wo maka I le maka la si o ni ne ya ko ngu foi lang wa isolo mo ri o so se mea le pei o Samoa nga kamay mo dia ni solo fason ako pei o lang
Fen me fio poero waka sintalela. Olla so de lela vala alu la skip. Todo boca de la vala.
Quero saúde.
Mai po e mai ma wa ko ya ku. Guys, we just got home and instead of having dinner because we already had some dinner at the mall, we're having cereal, Fruity Loops. Aussie feels like party pies. Ew. Mia. Yeah, phải show color camera yo mẹ ai
sao ka camera ma ne je
o le wa ai le silo wa yo pa ma o ngai o le mo nga ma ko ya ko me Siaosi ko se ma ko me ai ka le la me silo se ai ya
nah. Guys, this is just pure sugar and I love it. Hi guys, we are on our way to church now with your girl Samir. What's up girl? What's up? What's up? We got our professor in the front here. Professor Totti.
what's up
Professor Mano. We got a mummy here. Hello mummy.
say hi to them hi
hello.
Okay guys, as you can tell, getting a little bit under the weather. My throat's going, congestion, but it's all good. Still got a little snacky though. Hey guys, we just finished church. We're about to eat, and I'm not feeling too well. I'm so fluey. I need to melt some mozzarella. I'm going to.
check out Samia make it check out Samia
Đã quay rồi.
mẹ mom mẹ xem miệng
Bài nó lo.
mẹ xem miệng mẹ xem miệng guys, it's your boy Chochi. We just finished church, but for now, Snacky girl here. You know what, guys? Yeah, me and Snacky girl here. Snacky girl getting sick now, guys. No, getting well better. There's cheese for her wicked wings.
Too much ASMR. If you know, you know.
Yep. And coleslaw here. We're having the KFC now, guys. With my mummy here and my sissy here. Siaosi. Yeah, we're having KFC.
Look at guys. Look at.
Oh yeah.
Ooh yeah. Oh, it's hot. Hi guys.
Hi guys. It's your boy Jotti. It's finished working and now he's eating the food. And now he's
Your mom's laughing at you.
eating the food. So now he's going to
Whatever
eat the
I
food.
welcome.
And finish working. And
Guys, we just finished work.
Okay, that's the boy and go fun.
Oh.
Yeah.
giờ đâu sao một quả mà ngọc và mấy con nuôi ai yeah guys, it's your boy Jotti. Finish work now. We going to eat the chicken because go straight to the shop and bought the chicken to because I know we are hungry. And shout out to my snacky girl here.
Yeah, guys, I went to the shop straight after work because I went to get and I'm about to give it to her. It's nothing special, but guys, the phone that she came with from Samoa does not work here for some reason. It doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi, and the SIM card, Australian SIM card, doesn't work here either. So I went and got her a new phone. Can't wait to give it to her. Guys, I got her this phone. You should turn on that light in the kitchen.
Turn up the light in chicken.
In the chicken. So what are you doing, your boy Georgie?
Yeah, today we're gonna eat some chicken and Siaosi is here.
Time to eat.
Wait, Mika, my cousins came and picked up Mia and took her out. Thank you so much, girls. And I didn't even get invited because they said you have to be single and under 20.
Yeah.
You're such an egg.
Yeah, lo mea lo fanga wa.
Hey. So, kaya. Kaya, la fare ima. Aku kumio fa o in.